In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photo with CapCut app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a single image into CapCut, refine the look, add creative touches, and save a polished result to your device. Start by opening the app and creating a new project. Import the photo you want to work on so it appears on the timeline. CapCut is designed for video, but it handles still images well. If you're prompted to set a canvas, choose an aspect ratio that matches where you'll share the image, like 1:1 for a square post, 4:5 for portrait, or 16:9 for widescreen. You can always adjust this later without harming the quality. Before getting creative, make a few foundational corrections. Use crop and rotate to straighten horizons and tighten your framing. Then head into adjust. Begin with exposure or brightness to set the overall light level, and use contrast to add depth. Nudge highlights down if bright areas are blown out, and lift shadows slightly to recover detail. Fine-tune color with temperature and tint to balance warmth and coolness. A touch of saturation adds vibrance. Be careful not to push it too far. If you see softness, add a little sharpen or clarity, keeping it subtle to avoid halos and noise. Next, consider a filter to establish mood quickly. Apply a style you like, then reduce intensity so it complements rather than overpowers your adjustments. If your subject needs isolation, open cutout or background tools to remove or blur the background. You can drop in a solid color, gradient, or a softened image behind your subject to guide the viewer's eye. For portraits, explore retouch or beauty features with a light hand. Slight skin smoothing, gentle eye brightening, and minimal blemish reduction can make a difference while keeping texture natural. Always zoom in to judge the effect and dial it back if it looks plastic. Add text if you're creating a thumbnail, flyer, or story. Choose a clear font, set size for readability, and use a contrasting color. A soft shadow or thin outline helps text stand out without cluttering the image. Keep placements inside safe margins so nothing gets cut off on different screens. Finish with a vignette or subtle grain if you want a cinematic touch. Do a quick before and after by toggling effects to confirm everything works together. When you're happy, tap Export. Choose the highest available resolution and save to your device. That's it. Clean, consistent, and share ready.